So this is our second chapter, chapter 2, an introduction to Adobe PageMaker. Okay, in this we are seeing the desktop publishing. So what is desktop publishing? It's a full form of desktop publishing. DTP is nothing but a desktop publishing. Okay, nowadays we are using several desktop publishing softwares in the market. Okay, so what are the popular software in DTP? Means Adobe PageMaker and then Adobe InDesign, Quack Express. Okay, these are the most popular DTP softwares. So introduction to Adobe PageMaker. So in this Adobe PageMaker is nothing but a page layout software. So it is a purpose used for design and produce document that can be printed. So it is used for simple business code to large books. So for example, using this PageMaker, you can create a newsletter. So that includes article, pictures on each and every pages. You can place pictures, text to each and every page. That may be in top, left, bottom or any side. You can use this. So how can you open your PageMaker? See, in Windows 7 you start all programs, Adobe PageMaker 7.0 and then PageMaker 7.0. Now see in system, click here, select the Adobe PageMaker 7.0. So now your document is opened. So choose File, New. Okay, click OK button. File, document setup. Now click here OK button. If you want to change page size, okay, here A4 size, A3, A5, anything. Okay, you select A4 or letter, and then dimension size for 8.5 inches and 11 inches. If you want to change, you can change it here, and then gap for left, bottom, top, and then right hand side. Okay, left hand side is inside and right hand side is outside. So now you click here OK. So like that, you can Control N or document setup dialog box. Choose any one of the option. Your document will be open. So this is the dialog box. Choose here letter or A4 and then click OK. So now your document is opened for Untitled 1. So see here Untitled 1. So that is your document. This is your document. So see, a document page is displayed within a dark border. The area outside of the dark border is referred as pasteboard. Pasteboard is nothing but this one. Okay, see, this is your pasteboard area. Okay, whatever you write in this area, that will not be printed. See, this is title bar, menu bar, ruler, toolbox. This one is toolbar. This one is toolbar. This is black border. This one is margin. Okay, same thing here also. This is your title bar, menu bar, ruler, toolbox, and then darken area, margin, and then this one is pasteboard area. So next one, title bar. So in title bar, topmost page, it displayed the document name, that is here. If you are saving, see, this one is untitled. This is your document. If you are saving file name, that will be displayed here. See here. Now file save. Okay. Invitation. See, now your file name is invitation, that will be saved. So in the right hand side you have three buttons. One is for maximize, minimize and then close button. Minimize, maximize and then close button. Minimize button is closing your file in the desktop. Closing your file in desktop, that is minimize. This one is maximize. See here, this one is maximize button. Second one is maximize button. Last one is close button. If you are clicking this, your file will be closed. Okay. Now I will be open invitation. Okay. So in this what are the menus? File, edit, layout, type, element, untitled, view, windows and then help. These are the menu bar. Okay. What are the toolbox? Pointer, text, rotating tool, cropping tool, line tool, constraint line tool, rectangular box, rectangular frame tool, ellipse tool, ellipse frame tool, polygon tool and then polygon frame tool. This one and tool, this one is zoom tool in the toolbox. Okay, if you are